guys, welcome back to The Hungry Elephant. Don't be scared, we will return to our regularly scheduled programming on Thursday, but today I got a quick collaboration with Keto Steve. So our collaboration is the Mystery Box Challenge. He sent me 5 ingredients that I need to make something delicious with. Of course, it's gonna be all keto. So let's not take any more time and let's see what's in the box. So our mystery box includes avocados, almonds, dark chocolate, cinnamon, almond milk. So for this recipe I did use dark chocolate cocoa powder because I couldn't find any sugar-free baker's chocolate anywhere, so I just used cocoa powder. But we made a delicious chocolate pudding with caramelized almonds on top. So let's get to it. So there you have it, a delicious avocado chocolate pudding. It is super refreshing. Make sure to keep it refrigerated. A lot of people will ask, do you taste the avocados? Yes. It's not overly avocado-y tasting, but you do taste the refreshing avocado taste, which I prefer sometimes. So while you're here, check out Keto Steve's video and subscribe to him. I hope you guys have a great holiday and a Happy New Year.